Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we are reviewing the LG 45GX950A-B 45-inch UltraGear 5K2K OLED curved gaming monitor. Click the link below for the best price. If you're chasing the ultimate gaming monitor that combines immersive visuals, elite responsiveness, and future-ready connectivity, the LG 45GX950A-B is one of the most jaw-dropping displays you can put on your desk. This 45-inch UltraGear beast offers a 5K2K WUHD resolution, lightning-fast specs, and premium OLED technology that gamers and content creators alike will love. Let's kick things off with the display. This monitor features a massive 45-inch curved OLED panel with a native 5120 by 2160 resolution, also known as 5K2K WUHD. It's ultra-wide, ultra-detailed, and gives you unmatched horizontal real estate for gaming, multitasking, and creative workflows. The 800R curvature wraps around your field of view, drawing you into the action for an immersive, cinema-like experience whether you're playing an open-world RPG, racing game, or editing 4K video across a wide timeline. Being an OLED panel, you're getting perfect blacks, infinite contrast, and vibrant, accurate colors. It's certified with HDR True Black 400, meaning dark scenes in games and movies look incredibly realistic, no backlight bleed, no halos, just pure depth and detail. And speed? This thing flies. You get a buttery smooth 165Hz refresh rate and an ultra-responsive 0.03 milliseconds GTG response time, making it ideal for fast-paced shooters, competitive esports titles, and next-gen console play. Every frame is sharp and fluid, and every movement feels instant and precise. To top it off, LG's dual mode feature lets you switch between different screen formats and resolutions, giving you more control over how you work and play. Need full resolution for editing and design? You've got it. Want a high refresh, lower res gaming mode? It's just a toggle away. Of course, you're also getting full NVIDIA G-Sync and AMD FreeSync Premium Pro support, so gameplay is smooth and tear-free no matter which GPU you're running. It eliminates screen tearing, stutter, and input lag for a premium competitive experience. Connectivity is another big win. The USB Type-C port delivers 90 watts power delivery, letting you connect and charge your laptop with a single cable, perfect for MacBook or gaming laptop users. There's also DisplayPort 2.1, the latest standard for ultra-high bandwidth, ensuring support for full 5K resolution at high refresh rates with no compression or latency issues. Design-wise, the monitor has that sleek, aggressive UltraGear aesthetic. It's finished in matte black, with clean lines, minimal bezels, and an adjustable stand that supports tilt, swivel, and height adjustments. It looks just as premium as it performs. Whether you're a competitive gamer, creative professional, or just want a jaw-dropping display that checks every box, from speed and resolution to immersion and precision, the LG 45GX950A-B is built to deliver an elite visual experience across the board. Click the link below for the best price, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more high-end gaming tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.